Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is exploding. We have not just only broken above this key line of resistance around 60,000, but we are clearly above it, and I've been very clear with you guys. If the price in the medium short term finds proper support over 60,000, then the upcoming days for Bitcoin actually looks very bullish, and it could be also invalidating some bearish scenario which was lining up parallelly. And now, since we are above it, what to expect next? So before I start talking about these interesting scenarios which I prepared for you guys, please do me a favor and destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description. Now, if you look at this continuation pattern, on my previous video I showed you guys that this resistance which you had around 60,000 rejected us a couple of times in the past price action, and getting rejection around that area also resulted in a corrective move. I mean, price, whenever it got rejected on the upper trend line from the descending broadening wedge, we saw a pullback which was lower than the previous low. I mean, lower highs, lower lows, continuation pattern type of formation. And I was also very clear, if we test the 60,000 resistance again, it will break this time, and it did. So now, according to this descending broadening wedge pattern, a bullish continuation pattern, you can see the price objective sits around 71,000. Yes guys, this 71,000 will be attracting us for the upcoming days according to this descending broadening wedge. And parallelly, you can see the price in the past price action had a false breakout, but you know guys, I was very clear. We not just only broke out of this resistance line, but we even came back to retest it, which turned into support, and now it is resulting in a continuation pattern, a bullish continuation pattern, because descending channel or falling channel is considered bullish. And now, according to this descending channel as well, the upcoming days for Bitcoin actually looks bullish, because our price objective, right, our price objective sits around 71,000. Yes guys, even the price objective from this descending channel sits around 71,000. So this trend line, this horizontal trend line here to the upside, could be attracting us. And now, even if you look at this in a bit different way, I mean using this right angle, descending right angle broadening wedge formation, this definitely looks like a continuation pattern. Now the upper trend line will be attracting us. This upper trend line, which in the past price action rejected us, could be retested one more time, and this resistance also sits around 71,000. Yes guys, things are lining up perfectly, because price looking into different scenarios, looking into different time frame, all are pointing us that 71,000 will get retested. And now, even according to this symmetrical triangle, I showed you guys, even though this here could be turning out into a fake out, a false break to the downside, because this symmetrical triangle got formed during uptrend, and in uptrend, symmetrical triangle usually results in a bullish move. But before we start with a bullish move, first there could be a liquidity hunt, price liquidating the over leverage longs before starting with an actual bullish move. And I also showed you guys with this example on the right hand side, before this bullish breakout, we liquidated all the over leverage longs, and only after that started with this actual bullish move. And I even showed you guys with the help of this indicator that RSI was forming a bullish divergence. MACD was turning bullish because this is a bullish MACD cross, and now even this T3CCI indicator is appearing in a positive territory, which is a great sign. I mean, which is also indicating us that upcoming days for Bitcoin, according to this indicator, is going to be bullish. And that is another reason why the price in the medium short term next could be getting attracted around this monthly CPI line, which sits in between 63,000 to 65,000, which in our case will be acting as resistance. Yes, you heard that correctly guys. This trend line, before we see a continuation around 71,000, first we have to break out of this monthly CPI line, which sits around 63,000 to 65,000. Once this key line of resistance gets broken, then parallelly, you can see guys, it is going to result in another bullish continuation, because breaking out from this CPI line means price is also going to break out from the upper band from this Bollinger Band. Yes guys, and Bollinger Band upper band usually gets broken when the price is preparing itself for another continuation like this. I mean, in the past price action, you can see whenever the price broke out of this upper band, it resulted in a very bullish move. So if the price in our case also wants to show another continuation, then we have to break the resistance which you have from this July CPR and also the resistance from this upper band. But in our case, this resistance could be breaking out very soon. So please do not get confused. If the price in the medium short term after a bullish move around this trend line shows another continuation like this, please do not panic. Why? Because you can see it could be just a retest, right? After testing around this area, this resistance line, it could be just a retest, price coming back to test the support which we have around 59,000-60,000, forming a perfect right shoulder before starting with an actual bullish move here like this. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. According to this right angle broadening bottom pattern, the price of Bitcoin is over 60,000, which is resulting in a bullish move around this upper trend line. But in the medium short term, after testing the resistance around this upper band, after testing the resistance from the July CPR, if the price shows another continuation to the downside, please do not be left out, because that could be just a temporary pullback. I mean, price coming back to form a right shoulder, and after that it is going to be looked as a bullish continuation pattern, which is also going to create a new all-time high for Bitcoin. So looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, the upcoming days for Bitcoin, as long as we remain on 60,000, looks very bullish, and remaining over 60,000 means the price could be also invalidating this move here. I mean, we're expecting a bullish move around 6,000, but in our case, the price is not just only around 6,000, but way above it. So if the price of Bitcoin wants to invalidate this bearish continuation pattern from Wyckoff distribution, then we have to remain over 60,000. Remaining over 60,000 means this bearish continuation pattern will get invalidated, and price after that is expected to show another continuation like this. And why? Because parallelly, price has also managed to come across the neckline from this double top. Yes guys, this double top was considered as a bearish continuation pattern for Bitcoin, but in our case, you can see we are clearly above this neckline, which was around 60,000. So this same trend line now could be acting as support in case of retest, and price after that could be starting with another continuation like this, invalidating this double top formation. Now, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this are the first time to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description, because this event is temporary, and if you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.